Okay, let us see the various alternatives to the material used to produce less waste. How can we produce less waste? So basically you must be knowing about the concept of 3 R's, that is the waste hierarchy. So by practicing 3 R's we can reduce the waste production. Now there are another methods, like we should change our consumption habits and lifestyle so that we can produce less waste. Consumption habits means we should not we should avoid junk foods, we should avoid packed food material, so that we can produce less waste. Next, we should use the jute bags or reusable bags or the bags made from cloths instead of plastic bags. Next is the use of biogas instead of using fossil fuels. Use of chemical instead of using chemical fertilizer, we should use organic fertilizers or compost or vermicompost, which can produce from the waste material, that is the biodegradable part of the waste material. We should also use glasses made of clay, glasses made of dry leaves instead of disposable glasses. And last but definitely not the least, we should use both sides of pieces of paper before recycling it. Use of old cloths for cleaning around the house instead of using paper towels. There are a lot of things that can be used to reduce the waste, to produce less waste. It's all up to you, it's all up to the society. How can we reduce, how can we minimize the waste production?